Hello, welcome back. I am talking on my YouTube channel again, except this time, as you can see, I'm not playing Minecraft. I am doing a little quiz game. So this website called Sporcle is really cool. It has a lot of good quizzes on it if you are into trivia. So a fun fact about me is that when I was in the 8th grade, I became very oddly obsessed with the periodic table, to the point where I completely memorized it just by looking at it a lot. And it's been a couple of years now, so I don't think I know it entirely now, but I am hoping that I've retained at least some of the information, so I decided maybe I would make a video where we, I guess, tested this knowledge and hope that it sort of stayed with me. So yeah, we will see how I do. So the timer is set on 15 minutes, and that's all the time that you have to basically type in, and this is not by chemical symbol, you have to have the full element name. You have to type the full element name in for each individual element on the periodic table, and this is out of 118, which I think there might be more now. I'm not sure how updated this is, but we're gonna try our best. I know for a fact that I know at least the basic elements, like up till iron, but some of these get a little rocky, especially the further along that it gets. So we'll just see what I can pull out of my mind and hope that it's something. So let's get started. I'm just gonna kind of give you my thought process as this goes, because I'm gonna probably zoom through these to speed up time. So yeah, let's start off. The first element is hydrogen. Helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. My biggest issue is going to be spelling. I know that for a fact. Okay. I need to focus. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. I'm gonna spell it wrong. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum? Aluminum's always spelled weirdly because the British people actually pronounce it correctly. Okay, I gotta focus. It's so hard to do both of this at once. So lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium. Okay. Fluorine. Silicon. Phosphorus. I have a little bit of a rhyme in my head. Just how I would remember it, because otherwise it'd be pretty hard. Sulfur. Oh, kind of lagged there. Chlorine and argon. Potassium and calcium, scandium, titanium, chromium, and manganese. Oh wait, what did I miss? Potassium, calcium, titanium, vanadium, is that what it was? Vanadium? Yes. Okay. Also, a similar, I guess, style to these videos, and there's also quizzes on this website, would be like GeoGuessr, which is a game that I'm also interested in because I like geography. So if you're interested in watching me play that, I think I'm okay at it. I could definitely be better at that game, which is what I want to get better at, so I would definitely be down to record that. Okay. Oh, iron is always the 26. Okay, iron is the 26. Copper? No. Iron is the 26. Oh, right. Cobalt. That's what it was. Nickel. Copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, and arsenic. Selenium, and bromine film. Krypton. Rubidium. Strontium. this is either ytterbium or yttrium. I have no idea which one. Yttrium. Okay. Ytterbium is all the way down there. Yttrium. Okay, so rubidium, strontium, yttrium. Is it niobium? No. Yttrium. Yttrium. Rubidium, strontium, yttrium. Zirconium? Zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, however you spell this, I have no idea. Technetium. This one's gonna be difficult. Technetium. Technetium. There we go. It actually auto-corrected on my computer, so that's kind of cheating, but I'm just using my tools to my advantage. It auto-corrected. Molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, which is 47, cadmium, indium, ruthenium, I think. No, I already did that, right? Ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin cans, antimony. That's what is in eyeliner, I think. I don't know much about all of the individual elements, but I think that is what is in eyeliner. It's antimony. Then tellurium. I usually forget this one, so I'm surprised I remembered it. Iodine, which is an easy one. Iodine and xenon. And then cesium and barium. And then the table splits to the lanthanides. Okay, so I'm gonna go in order, and I'm not gonna skip around. Or I'm gonna at least try to go in order. So we go from 56 here down to 57, which is where the lanthanides are. So this is a little bit tricky. I don't think I know all the lanthanides. Okay. Barium is 56. Okay. Lanthanum, cerium, and praseodymium. That one's a hard one. Neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium. How do you spell that? Gadolinium. Is it ulmium? I don't remember if there's an H or not. Yes, okay. No, that's the wrong spot. Gadolinium. Thorium? This is where my memory is gone. Gadolinium. I know dysprosium is one of them, but I don't think that's the one. Yeah, I could not tell you what element 65 is. I know there's erbium, ulmium, erbium. Ulmium, erbium. I'm really stumped here. Like, I feel like there's a thorium, but that's in the actinides. I don't know, we might have to come back to this one. So let's exit the lanthanides. Terbium, hafnium. I'm surprised I remembered the jump from here to here. Tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium. These stand out in my mind. Platinum. It's a good element. Gold. Mercury. Thallium. Bismuth. 4. Pepto-Bismol. Polonium, I think. Polonium. 13. Radon, francium, radium. Okay, now we are at the actinides. So this also scares me. We're nearing the end. We did pretty good so far, like better than I expected to do. So let's just see if we can get these actinides down. So actinium is obviously the first actinide. Actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, europium, oh, plutonium, that's what I was, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, einsteinium. Now we're getting to like the scientist names and stuff. Berkelium. I just thought of the one before berkelium, but then I typed einsteinium and that messed me up. Berkelium. Americium, curium, berkelium. Was it lawrencium or is it farther? Lawrencium. Yeah, it's farther. Is it californium? Yes. Einsteinium. Okay. Americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium. My mind is blanking. Rutherfordium, maybe? No. No. Now we get to the point where my mind is blank. So this is where I just have to do elements that I know and not in order, because these will be out of order for me. So I know nobelium is an element. I know that borium is an element. So is C of borgium. And so is darmstadtium. However you spell that. I don't think that's how. Darmstadtium. I'm just trying to break this down. Darmstadtium. What? Darmstadium? Darmstatium? No. I'm pretty sure there's another D somewhere. Yeah, I don't know if I'm ever gonna get that one, honestly. I know oganesson is the last one in this periodic table. And then tessinine. However you spell it, This is my downfall, is spelling tessinine. Tessinine. Please. I'm pretty sure there's two S's. I don't know if I'm gonna get this one right. But I know that's what that element is. Oh, is it tennessine? Is that what it is? Tennessine. I'm pretty sure that's it. Tennessine. Yes! Okay, there were two N's. Like, what word has two consecutive N's? That's really weird. Rutherfordium. Did I do livermorium? Nope. Now I just gotta think of more scientists until I got it all. So I did nobelium, correct? Yes. Lawrencium, I did. We have 2 minutes left. Oh god. Did I ever do that element? Lutetium. I don't know if I'm gonna get any more of these. I just don't remember. Look, I'm really trying. Oh, I do remember Moscovium. That's one that I didn't have. Oh, and Fluorovium. Oh god. Fluorovium. Oh god. 30 seconds. I don't know. I think that's it. I think that's all I'm gonna get. Which 106 out of 118. I think that's pretty good. I wish I knew what these little missing pieces were, because I feel like those should be very obvious to me, and they aren't for some reason. And I'm gonna hate myself when I see the end result. I'm so scared. Okay, so what did we get wrong? So let's start lowest to highest. So I couldn't think of what came after gadolinium, and it was of course terbium, which I should know. I do know that is an element. And then I didn't know it came after erbium, and it was thulium. Okay, fair enough. There's an element that sounds pretty similar to that to me, and it's tellurium. Okay, and so after terbium, it was lutetium, which I did try and type. I think I just spelled that one wrong. So I did kind of know that one. Okay, and then it came down to the actinides, where I forgot fermium, and how did I forget mendelevium? That one, I should have definitely known that. Like, that. Remember when I said, like, I need to think of scientists? Like, that one should be very obvious. Okay. And then after rutherfordium was dubnium, which I did know. Okay, borium, hassium. I can't not even pronounce that one. Darmstadium, which was one that I did know. I just spelled it horribly wrong. So it's Darmstadium, not Dharma Stadium. Okay. I can't pronounce that one either. Copernicium. I should have known that because, again, scientist name. And Nihonium. Okay. I think I did pretty decent. If you guys end up playing this, I will link it in the description for you guys. Tell me if you beat me horribly, or if you also like these sorts of quiz games, and I will play more. But I'm not as knowledgeable in every other subject as I am the periodic table for some reason. So that's a warning. Thank you for watching, and see you.